Okay, here's a few charts of interest that I'll have on watch in our live trading chat room tomorrow. These are stocks that might give some setups that we teach. They had passion today. Now, my overnight list isn't always like this, where just, anyone can go through and find high volume moves and then throw them on watch the next day, but sometimes they give a nice setup. Most of what we find will be on the fly on Wednesday. Stocks showing unusual volume, and then we'll play the setups we know how once they, if and when they set up like that, okay? But having said that, there are a few stocks that deserve to be on a watch list and, and occupy one of the charts on one of your monitors to be ready for Wednesday, okay? There's certainly some strange anomalies today and might give some nice setups tomorrow. All right, let's go. Here we got Herbalife, HLF, any stock that sells off from 70 down to 52, and then about a $4 bounce on 30 million shares deserves to be on watch tomorrow. Okay, nothing. There's no kind of call I can make on that tonight. We'll have to watch it trade. CAR, nice little breakout on big volume on Tuesday, so it'll be on watch on Wednesday. HUN, it's almost a cuss word to me after the way I handled it today if you saw our other video, but if not, still deserves to be on watch with this kind of volume pop. And above, what? 8 months worth of trading, something like that, but it's been basing for a long time, gapped above that. Might give a nice setup tomorrow. BKS, after this crazy gap up, couple red days, that may be worth watching tomorrow. NIHD, and actually there's nothing on this list that I love, but again, we'll find stuff as the day unfolds. NIHD, if you go out on the weekly here, it certainly had a nice bounce off 10 and some nice bounces off the 1250 area, and there's the one spike down to 10. So going back to the daily, this 1250, this big sell-off, to me, thinking short down here, and it could keep going. And I'm not just going to dive in long either on Wednesday morning, but to me, I'm looking for a bounce play setup on NIHD. If not tomorrow, one of these days. Deserves to be on everybody's watch list. ARMH never did get going. It's back down near this 25 number again. Very strange looking little cluster here, but it's done pretty well bouncing off of 25. If it loses 25, it also could be a good short. So, we'll watch that with an open mind tomorrow, but I like it around the 25 area. EA, Electronic Arts, we actually have a swing in this. We sold some in the pre-market at 16.10 the other day. Our average is a little over 15 bucks, but it's also now setting up for possible possible day trade. After this gap up, couple days down, and then today just a long base. So over this base, let me see, what was the high today? 1565, up over near 1570. This might get some momentum to the upside after this gap up the other day. Have earnings coming out soon, so I'm going to be out of this. I'm not going to hold the swing into earnings. I think it is Monday, so we'll keep an eye on that for our swing. But also pretty interesting up in the high 1560s for a possible trade on Wednesday. All right, that's it. Boring list, really. I mean, some interesting stuff. We'll follow up tomorrow night with a video showing you if we traded any of these and how we traded them. And the video tomorrow night, I can't talk today, I swear. The video tomorrow night may have 4 or 5 stocks on it and none of them on this list. You never know. So it'll all depend on intraday setups and what we can find on Wednesday. All right, I'm going to quit babbling. We'll talk to you guys later.